Hey there, if you've been feeling, a little unsteady on your feet lately, or maybe getting out of your favorite chair feels way harder than it used to, listen, you are absolutely not alone. Today, we're going to naturally combat that leg weakness using science-backed nutrition, some really practical everyday habits, and a highly effective power smoothie recipe.
So there's this massive misconception floating around out there that leg fatigue and weakness are just unavoidable parts of getting older. But here is a really surprising fact for you. This decline is not inevitable. No way. It's actually primarily a direct result of our daily lifestyle and our nutritional choices.
Before we begin, subscribe to @DrHealthExplained for evidence-based health insights. Okay, here's a quick look at our agenda for today's explainer. 1. The myth of aging legs. 2. 10 muscle superfoods. 3. A day of healthy eating. 4. Movement and hydration. 5. The power smoothie recipe. And finally, 6. Reclaim independence. Let's dive in.
Section 1. The myth of aging legs.
Think of nutrition as the invisible scaffolding of your mobility, especially for those of us over 50. When we consume excess sugar and unhealthy fats, we're actively weakening our bodies, and we drastically increase the risk of osteoporosis. But conversely, a balanced diet rich in specific vitamins, minerals, and proteins, well, that directly provides the energy and the muscle support you need to halt that decline right in its tracks.
Section 2. 10 muscle-building superfoods.
High-quality protein is just non-negotiable for muscle repair. Eggs are a fantastic starting point. And hey, please don't skip the yolk. That's where the bone-fortifying vitamin D lives. You're going to want to pair that with a daily cup of spinach. Raw or sautéed, doesn't matter. And just 2 tablespoons of quinoa, because quinoa is a complete plant-based protein. This specific trio provides a massive, immediate nutrient payload to rebuild those tired leg muscles.
Now, to repair your joints and to cool down inflammation, you need to aim for a very specific number, 150 grams. That's the ideal portion size for omega-3 rich salmon, and you want to eat that about 2 to 3 times a week. But if you're not a fan of fish, no worries at all. A high-quality omega-3 supplement from your local pharmacy is a perfectly viable alternative. Have you ever been jolted awake by a terrible leg cramp? It's the worst, right? Well, eating just 1 medium banana every day gives you the exact potassium needed to stop those cramps in their tracks. For sustained muscle energy, half a baked or grilled sweet potato per meal is amazing because they provide the perfect complex carbohydrates. Finally, 200 grams of natural unsweetened yogurt daily fortifies your bones with a huge hit of calcium and protein. Our final 3 foods are all about fighting off inflammation. 2 tablespoons of raw, extra virgin olive oil daily works literally like a natural lubricant for your joints. Pair that with a small handful of nuts. Think exactly 10 almonds or walnuts a few times a week. Lastly, turmeric. Half a teaspoon is great, but here's the real secret. You absolutely must pair it with a pinch of black pepper. That pepper unlocks the curcumin, which is turmeric's active ingredient, completely supercharging its joint-protecting properties.
If you're finding this helpful, please like and share this video.
Section 3. A day of healthy eating. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I fit this all into my day? Structuring these foods doesn't have to be complicated. Start your morning with a boiled egg and grab that banana for a mid-morning snack. For lunch, just toss your spinach and quinoa together with a splash of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Keep your afternoon energized with some natural yogurt. And for dinner, enjoy your grilled salmon or a sweet potato seasoned with turmeric and black pepper. Easy, right?
Section 4. Movement and muscle hydration.
Look, it's incredibly tempting to just take the elevator and stay seated. We've all been there. But replacing a sedentary habit with just a 20 to 30-minute daily walk and consciously choosing to take the stairs significantly improves blood flow to your legs and increases flexibility. It's really all about making those small conscious choices every single day.
To truly support that movement, remember this: hydrated muscles simply do not cramp. So, aim for 2 liters of water daily. You can even add lemon or herbs if you want. You'll also want to incorporate magnesium-rich foods like avocados or pumpkin seeds to ensure your muscles are contracting properly. And right when you wake up, hold some calf and pelvic stretches for 20 to 30 seconds to prevent stiffness. Oh, and consider treating yourself to a 15-minute circular leg massage with rosemary or lavender oil. It is incredibly soothing for muscles and boosts circulation.
Section 5. The leg strengthening smoothie. Okay, here it is, the leg strengthening power recipe I promised you. Step 1. Toss 1 banana, a tablespoon of cooked quinoa, and half a teaspoon of turmeric right into a blender. Step 2. Add 200 grams of natural yogurt, a teaspoon of natural honey for a nice energy kick, and a glass of water or plant-based milk. Step 3. Just blend it for 2 straight minutes until perfectly smooth. Honestly, if you drink this nutrient-dense smoothie 3 to 4 times a week in the morning, you will literally feel the vitality returning to your legs.
Section 6. Reclaim your independence.
When you put it all together, these small daily changes, the walks, the hydration, that amazing smoothie, they compound day by day. They prevent weakness, reduce joint pain, and just dramatically improve your overall quality of life. Independence and mobility are choices. They're choices you make at the grocery store and in your daily routine. So what is the one small choice you're going to make today to guarantee your independence tomorrow? Subscribe to @Dr. Health Explained and turn on notifications for more science-backed health content.